This leaf refuses to get dirty. No matter what you throw at it, mud, dust, even thick murky water, it always comes out, perfectly clean. No stains, no residue, nothing left behind. That shouldn't be possible. Most surfaces absorb dirt. They trap it, hold on to it. But this leaf does the opposite. So what's going on? At first, scientists thought it was simple. Maybe it was just smooth, maybe water just slid off. But that explanation didn't hold up, because even smooth surfaces get dirty. They were missing something, so they looked closer, much closer. When they zoomed in, everything changed. The leaf isn't smooth at all, not even close. It's covered in tiny, microscopic bumps, thousands of them, packed tightly together. And on top of those bumps, even smaller nanostructures, so small you can't see them without powerful tools, layer upon layer of texture, a surface that's anything but flat. And that changes everything, because when water touches it, it can't spread. There's no continuous surface to cling to, no place to settle, no grip. Instead, the water pulls itself together, tightening, shrinking, forming into perfect droplets, almost like tiny beads of glass, perfect spheres, balanced, barely touching the surface at all. And because they barely touch, they can move freely. So when the leaf tilts, or even when a slight breeze passes, those droplets begin to roll. And as they roll, they pick up dirt like magnets, dust particles, tiny bits of debris, even oily contaminants. Everything gets pulled into the droplet, lifted away from the surface, carried off effortlessly, cleaning it instantly. Not because the leaf washes itself, but because dirt never gets the chance to stick. That's the real trick. It doesn't fight dirt, it prevents attachment, it removes the problem before it even begins. Scientists saw this and realized this wasn't just a plant, it was a blueprint, a design perfected over millions of years. So they copied it carefully, precisely, trying to recreate that same structure. Now we have self-cleaning glass, windows that stay clear after rain, waterproof coatings, surfaces that repel moisture completely, and fabrics that resist stains, clothes that don't absorb spills, all inspired by a leaf. That never needed cleaning to begin with. It didn't solve the problem. It made the problem impossible. And that's what makes it so powerful. Sometimes the smartest solution isn't fixing the mess. It's designing a world where the mess can't exist at all.